Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be reviewing these smoothies. So this company by the name of Revive Superfoods reached out to me and they sent me a couple of their smoothies, like 9 smoothies. It's been like 2 days now. I haven't tried any of the smoothies as yet. I wanted to do the first one here on camera so you guys could see and, you know, experience it with me as well. So how they do this is, I'm gonna show you the box that it came inside of. They sent this box filled with dry ice because they do delivery. They send you the packages with whatever fruits or food to make the smoothie inside the packaging in a box of dry ice to keep it cool, so you could just remove it from the box and put it straight into the freezer. So when the box came and I opened it, everything was still cold. I should have recorded when I just got the box. It's because I was rushing for work when I just received the box and I know I wasn't gonna be at home to take them out of the box to put in the freezer. So I just took a couple seconds, grabbed them out of the box, throw them in the freezer and went to work, which I really wanted to do the unboxing on video, but unfortunately I didn't get to do that. Okay, so basically Revive Superfoods offers ready to enjoy superfood eats like smoothies, oats, meals, soups and more with the ingredients. They're all pre-portioned inside. What they're trying to do basically is to turn the idea that healthy food is boring on its head, because you know, you could eat healthy but have fun with it. All these smoothies, it says there's no hassle, no mess, no time wasted. All you have to do is add water, milk, or you know, coconut water to the smoothie, blend it and ready to go. This is the website. I'm gonna show you all that they have on the website. Revive Superfoods, farm frozen, chef crafted. So they show you here how it works. You could pick your plan, fill your box, receive delivery, right? Like I said, they deliver these items, and what they have on their menu is smoothies, oats, super meal, pop soups, falafel pop soups. That's what they have. If you scroll down, you'll see all the yummy looking smoothies that they have. You could explore more and see all they have, and you could add whichever one you want to try in your box. And also, if you decide to try this smoothie, I have a link. You could get 50, I think it's 60 or 50% off your order. So these are shop all smoothies. You could buy smoothies, you could buy their super meals. They have soups, they have the pops, and I'm not gonna lie, they really look yummy. You could get 9 cups, which I got the 9 cups. They have 12 cups, 24 cups, and you could like sign up and get like monthly or weekly plan. Like you could sign up for a plan, you could do every week or month. So you could do it weekly, where they send it to you weekly or monthly. Just have to join, you know, join their plan. And they have a lot on this website, so go check them out, guys. So what I'm about to do now is show you the smoothies. Okay, so like I said, I got 9 smoothies, right? So these are the all 9 that I got. This flavor is the morning mocha. This one is the hint of mint. This one is coconut cream, berry blee. That's cute, berry blee. And then this one is liquid gold. The other one is berry patch. This one is heartbeat, strawberry zen, pink dragon. I'm really excited to try the pink dragon, the berry patch. Oh gosh, I'm just excited to try all of them, to be honest. I don't even know which one I want to try first. I feel like right now, since it's like the afternoon, it's not morning or you know, none of that, I'm gonna try. I feel like I'm gonna try Pink Dragon on camera. I think that's the one I want to try, Pink Dragon. These are all the 9 flavors that I chose. There are other flavors on the website, but these are the 9 flavors that I chose. So you guys can go check out and see the other flavors that they have. So like I said, I've decided to do the Pink Dragon. Let's see how they package this one. So this is the Pink Dragon, and as you can see, it has the plastic over it. So this is what it's looking like. Whoa, it's frozen, like really frozen. And for the other videos, like I've watched the other videos that people do in their review, and I saw that it came with straws and the straw cleaner, but I didn't receive any. I looked through the packaging like a bunch of time, I didn't see that straw, so I guess it's supposed to come with straw as well, because as you can see, the top, you could just like pop in the straw right here and go. For this, I'm gonna add some coconut water. So let me tell you what's inside the Pink Dragon. So as you can see, the ingredient is to the point. These are all the things that's in this smoothie that makes it Pink Dragon. This is it right here, guys. It says fill cup with preferred liquid, pour content into blender, blend and enjoy. It's that simple, it's that easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use coconut water. So like I said, some people use almond milk, just use regular water, but I have coconut water straight from the coconut. Like, yeah, so we buy with coconut. You know, we're island people, we don't buy the store-bought, the store coconut water. We go to the coconut man, get him chop the coconut and throw it in this bottle. So I'm gonna pour a little in here. And from here to the blender. So as you guys can see, I'll be using my NutriBullet Pro, and I already poured it in here. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, cover and blend. Okay, so now that we're done blending, I'm gonna pour it back right into the cup. See how rich and nice that looks? No mess, no mess at all. You don't have to get your plates and cups dirty. Put the top back on like that. Insert my straw just like this. It's that simple, it's that easy. See, and there you have it. This open up my taste bud. Nah lie, this tastes goodie, but not overdo it. It tastes really good. It tastes I've never had Pink Dragon before. I've seen it before, but I've never tried it. So when I saw this opportunity, I was like, this is the perfect time to try it. But it's so good, like. So guys, each flavor that I prepare, I'm gonna be posting it on my IG story, right? My Instagram story. I'll leave all information down below, all links, all discount codes, everything that you need to know. But if you want to see the other flavors and what I think about the other flavors, just follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave the name right here for my Instagram, and each day I'm gonna post the flavors and what I think about it on my Instagram story. So go over there, follow me and keep up. And if you guys do happen to miss any, I'm gonna make a highlight, you know, those little highlights that you save your story, you know, if someone didn't get to see it. I'm gonna have my highlights, I think I'm gonna name it Revive Superfood, so you guys could see what I've said about this for the ones that are seeing this video later, you know, later than like after I post it on my Instagram. I could say this flavor is bussin'. like this busting right now. No man, it tastes good. I love this for me. Anyways, go check them out. Honestly, I was a little skeptical at first when I saw, like, you know, then I watched all the reviews on YouTube. I was like, alright, let me just try it out. But it's really like, it's just like if you're going to Tropical Smoothie or Smoothie King or them places. This is even more healthy and better, and you could do it yourself in just seconds. Like, just go check them out, and you're gonna get 60% off using my code. I'll put the code right here. I don't remember, something Krissy. The code will be right here and in the description box. Go check it out, guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. Comment down below. I want to think any question you guys have, ask me down in the comment section. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.